palette. I'll be creating this look and testing out if this palette formulation, if it has any fallout, does it blend it nicely onto the eyes, does it flake. Today we are doing a Huda Beauty Coral Obsession brand new palette that released online. That's where I bought it from Sephora. This palette is releasing into Sephora in stores on the 21st or the 22nd. Definitely check your Sephora app. There will be a little message on the top saying it will be in stores by like sometime this week. And I want to try this out. Just when I was looking at the colors online, it looks so gorgeous. I just ordered it online. I didn't want to wait until a week from now. So this is such a gorgeous summery vibe color palette. The packaging is of course really cute. It's small, it's portable. You could tell what shades there are by the front here, which I absolutely love how they displayed the colors. And then there's also the name here too. So if you have those Alex drawers, you could just pop them in there and you could see what palette is by the name on top here. So you don't have to pull it out to check, oh, what palette is that? My eye is itchy. These lashes are tickling my eye. I also did a review on the Soft Glam palette. If you didn't know, the Mon Renaissance and the Soft Glam, they have a lot of fallout. When you tap in your brush once or twice, your area is just filled with fallout. It is so messy with that palette. This palette is so different. This palette is such a nice beachy peach summery, something that has these bright colors and also with a bit of neutral for those days you just want a simple neutral everyday color. Middle section here, so there are the middle section that has the neutral. This would be a really nice all over the lid shade, outer corner shade, and then transitioning to create that everyday makeup kind of neutral shade from this palette. You could do that if you want to change it up, make it a little bit more bright, more summery. This is the color that I have on my all over the lid shade palette. You could see that gold orangey red shade, flexes of gold, red, and orange. It is such a stunning summery shade. I've never seen any eyeshadows look like that before, so I was quite stunned by this color on the top here. This is what the palette looks like. It has 9 shades, 2 shimmer shades, and the rest are matte shades. So let's get started and create this look to test this out. If this palette has any fallout, did the ingredients improve? Are they buttery? Do they blend onto your eyes smoothly, or is it very chalky? When I buy eyeshadow palettes, that's what I would like to know. So if this did help you, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe down in the bar below, and let's get into this video if this palette is worth it. Palette. This is I'm so excited to try these beautiful summery colors. First, I'm going in with this shade right here. Just applying this, blending this. Does make a really nice transition color. Now I'm going in with this dark kind of rustic orangey shade onto my outer corners. Apply this on my outer corner to deepen the eyeshadow crease. I'm using the IBY Beauty crease brush. It's a lot more dense than the other one that I was using. Going into this bright red. So I'll be applying this one all over my lid using my finger. It has the specks of gold and red mixed together in the shade. I've never seen any color like this before. I find that using your fingers, especially with these shimmer shadows, it's a lot more pigmented, way more pigmented than if you were to use a brush. My eyes are starting to look a lot like a sunset. I did my eyeliner and I also applied some false lashes to pull in the whole entire look together. This highlighter would look so gorgeous on you. It has a really nice luminosity to it. Also apply this a little bit on the Cupid's bow. Apply really nicely. It's quite pigmented. It really blends in really nicely into the skin. It doesn't feel chalky at all or any fallout. I didn't find that there's really any fallout compared to the Soft Glam palette that I did a review on. It will be linked down in the bar below if you haven't seen it. This doesn't have any kickback to it. It has really nice colors. It's a really nice orangey, peachy, summery vibe look. Looking for some new palettes that you want to splurge on for a nice summer palette. It's so portable and small. It has a decent variety of shades that you can choose from. You could create all nude color if you want to, just wear all neutrals just with these two colors. Deepen your outer corner with this color. If you want something more fun, more a pop of color, more summery, you have all of these reds, oranges, yellows, and peach to play with. That this palette didn't really have any fallouts compared to the Soft Glam palette. I also did a review on that. If you haven't seen it, I'll link that down in the bar below. These pan size are bigger than the Soft Glam palette or the Modern Renaissance palette. I also bought the Mauve Obsession palette and this brand new Gemstone Obsession palette. I'll also be doing a review, swatch, and makeup look for these palettes too. This is basically almost a finished look. I almost dropped my Amrezy palette. I would have been so sad if it shattered. I just bought this about a week ago. And if it broke, I'll just be heartbroken. This is such a gorgeous highlighter.
Yeah, and yeah, I know how bad it must hurt to see me like this, but it gets worse. Not payback, cause a bad bitch, and baby, I'm the baddest. You fucking with a savage. Can't have this, can't have this. And it'd be nice of me to take it easy on ya, but nah.